but in these two books will means you can follow and we can get properly the design calculation and procedures, and very well documented in a simplified manner it is written. So, you can follow this. You can go for some reference also like Design of Steel Structure by Elias Abu Sabah. This is CBS publication. This also you can use as a reference book. Then Design of Steel Structure by E. H. Gallier et al. By McGraw-Hill, and Structural Steel Work by S. S. Ray, Blackwell Science. So, as a reference book you can follow. However, I will suggest you to at least follow one textbook which has been suggested earlier in earlier slide, that is either Dr. Subramaniam's book or S. K. Duggal's book. Now, these codes are required while we will learn the design of steel structure. First is that earlier code was IS 800 1984, which was based on working stress method. Now, the codal provision has been changed, and in IS 800 2007 the code of practice for general construction in steel has been given, in which the limit state design method has been followed. So, when you follow my lecture, I will suggest you to sit with the this code, because lot of codal provisions are there which has to be followed, and while listening my lecture, if you follow the codes and if you open the code also at the same time, it will be easier to understand the lectures, and it is easier to means follow the code also. And we have a handbook, that is SP 61 1964, handbook for structural engineers, where the Indian steel roll section properties are given. All the standard roll section properties like ISMB means I section, channel section, T section, angle sections. So, all the roll sections properties are given in that IS handbook. So, we should follow that also. And also we can follow this IS 80 1989, where certain properties are given, certain properties of steel roll section, and also you can use steel table of any standard publication where the properties are given, right. Other than that, I would suggest you to follow this code of practice for design loads other than earthquake for building and structure, that is IS 875 part 1 to part 4. I will come with this code in details later, and also IRC code for vehicle load in bridge structures may be useful. Apart from this, for seismic consideration, IS 1893 2002 also will be you can use. Now, coming to rolled steel section, I have told that different type of rolled sections are available in the market, and their properties are given in IS handbook in SP 6. So, like here I have shown that Indian standard junior beam, which is termed as JB also, sorry. So, Indian standard junior beam ISJB, Indian standard light beam ISLB or LB, and Indian standard medium weight beam that is available, Indian standard wide flange beam. So, different type of I sections are available in the code. Indian standard heavy weight beam ISHB, Indian standard column section SC, like this you will get, right. Now, say I section, what I was discussed that I was discussing that ISMB, ISLV, ISJB. So, in all this beam section or I section, this looks like this. If you see, it is we have a slope here and we have a curve here, so that the stress concentration does not develop here, and also here also you have a curve. Now, the overall depth of I section is called D. In the SP 6, the properties of I sections are given in terms of, say, suppose if you say ISMB 250, that means it will refer to a particular I section of medium beam ISMB. The 250 means the overall depth of the section will be 250, right. So, this D will be 250 overall depth. Now, if this 250 depth of beam is there, means if you select, then automatically you will find what will be the width of the flange. This portion is called flange, and this width of flange is called B, and sometimes we call BF also, B or BF, and this is the portion of wave, and this wave thickness is called T or TW. TW we used to call. Now, what will be the thickness of flange? Thickness of flange vary from here to here. If you see here, thickness of flange is much higher than this place. So, thickness of flange is measured at B minus T by 4 distance. That means, this is total B, this is T. So, B minus T by 2 is this distance, and middle of that is the B minus T by 4. T is the TW, thickness of wave. So, at that position we find the thickness of the flange, either capital T we mention as capital T or TF, also we call TF also. So, if you see in the SP6 the properties of I section, then you can find out, suppose if it is ISMB 250, then its depth is 250, its weight, its cross sectional area, and the geometrical properties, everything is mentioned there. Not only the geometrical properties, but also the, say, suppose IXX, IYY, that means moment of inertia about XX, about YY, and then we can find out RXS, means radius of gyration about x direction, about y direction. So, all the details, then Z section modulus, ZE, ZP, those things also you will find out. Then what will be the gauge distance between these two, means where the bolt or rivet will be placed. So, that gauge distance also are standard for particular section. So, all the relevant properties you can find out from that code, right. So, this is another section which is called a channel section. These channel section are mainly used for column, these channel sections are used. So, Indian Standard Junior Channel, ISJC, similarly ISLC, Indian Standard Light Channel, Indian Standard Medium Weight Channel, ISMC, like these channel sections are available in the code also. So, here also ISMC 400 means the depth D will be 400, ISMC 400 means the depth will be, overall depth will be 400. So, once depth 400, other properties are given in the SP6. So, this is the BF, this is called BF, width of the flange, BF, and this is TF or T, that is B minus T by 2, at B minus T by 2, that is defined, and T is basically TW, thickness of wave. Then what will be the radius of curvature here, means R1, and this is R2, that also are standard, that is given. Then CXX, CYY, that also CXS means this is CYY, this is CYY, and this is CYY, and this is 50 means D by 2, right. And so, these are the properties, flange slope alpha will be this. So, these are the standard properties which are given in the code, and it looks something like this. And in the code, means actually in place of XX it is written ZZ, means IZZ, RZZ, and this is YY. This is how it has been considered. This is angle section. Angle sections are of two type. One is Indian standard equal angle and another is Indian standard unequal angle. Equal angle means its leg length will be same. Here Indian standard equal angle, both the leg length will be same, but if it is unequal, then it is unequal angle. So, standard writing is say ISA 90 by 90 by 6, that means the length of the leg is 90, in this way also it is 90, and thickness of the leg is 6 mm. And of course, also we can find out all other properties of the angle section. Which is shown here. So, if you see in the codal provisions, angle sections are given like this is root radius R1, this is toe radius R2, these are also standard, and CXX, CYY, that means center of gravity in x and y, then what will be the IXX, IYY, IUU means in major axis, minor axis IVB. So, RXX, RYY, RVB, RUU, all these properties are given, which will be required for calculation of different stresses on the section. So, for designing of the member using angle section, we need different properties, geometrical properties, which are available in the SP 6. This is another section which is called T section, Indian standard normal T section, and here also in case of T section, the H is the depth, and other details I am not going in details, you can find out in the code. This is rolled steel bar, Indian standard round section, ISRO is called, and Indian standard square section, this is square bar. So, this type of bars are also available, and which can be used for design of different type of members. Then suppose ISRO 100 in rolled steel section, if you see ISRO 100, that means it is a round section of diameter 100, round section of diameter 100. Again ISSQ 50 means it is a square section of each side 50 mm. ISSQ 50 means this is a square section of 50 mm. So, this is how it is designated. Then rolled steel sheet and strips are also used, those are also available. Indian standard steel sheet section, Indian standard steel sheet section, and Indian standard steel strip section. Okay. So, if actually if we write 50 FT, that means a flat of 50 millimeter width and 8 mm thickness are used. So, this is how letter F means width and this thickness and width are defined in this way, 50 F8. Then square hollow section, this also are used. So, this square hollow section and hollow pipe sections are also used in design of steel members. So, in this first lecture, what we could see is that Indian rolled sections are available, steel rolled sections are available, and its geometrical properties are given in SP 6, which will be frequently used for design of structural members, right. So, with this I like to conclude today's lecture. Next day we will discuss about the material properties of the steel and its advantages and other details. Thank you.